This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giovanna Fernandez. The Belle of Biscayne Gardens. This lovely, turnkey home has been fully remodeled and sits on a 7,500 square foot lot. Ideal floor plan offers tons of natural light, dining room just off the spacious kitchen and ample living spaces. Beautiful luxury vinyl flooring throughout, new air conditioner, new windows, updated electric, new appliances, and light fixtures. Located on a quiet street nearby by public transportation, shops and expressways. Total square footage of the home is larger than tax record, as per owner. Plenty of room for a pool. For more information, review the details below.